There's obviously a lot going around on social media, so we've obviously talked to the players about what's happening and some of the divisions that's trying to be pushed between the teams. So we're aware. I shared after the post-match in the post-match conference what had happened. It's I'm not sure what's going on social media. It's obviously a lot of hearsay. So it's exactly how it happened when I made my statement after the match.
Right, guys, just let you know that you need to find the official account. As of that's not the official account for YCN the level, whichever you are picking up that he's commenting from. Wise is not using that account, so there are a lot of people creating names, which you are aware. So just be mindful of your questions, please. Just see before if it's an official account or not. But thank you for the question. Yeah, go ahead.